Now this place, so okay. Salim.
Sir.
I beg, give me 16 spanners here. Give me 16 spanners, Salim.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Salim.
Sir. I dey come, sir. Now I dey check am. Okay, let me this.
Salim.
Okay.
Salim.
Okay.
Salim.
Okay.
I like you, die.
Yes.
How God?
Thank you, sir.
I see. May I tell you something? Among of all the guys wey dey here, now you be number one.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. You don't spend like how many years here?
Never tell God. Na like 4 years.
4 years. 4 years. 4 years never tell now.
Yes, okay.
You no suppose spend 4 years here. I swear to God. But no problem. You know wetin go happen. Abeg, help me tell your mama. Your mama, help me tell her tomorrow to come see me.
May I tell mama? Make she come see you.
Your time of graduation don ready.
Ah, thank you, Oga.
Don't thank me, thank God. Now God go time.
Okay, thank you.
That's why I like you now.
Thank you, sir.
But before that one, you know wetin you go do for me now. You get one screw wey dey under this engine. It's only one. Once you enter the under, you go see the screw. Just go there, lose the engine, the screw, and keep it for me. Don't do anything again. Okay. Just that screw alone.
The boat where they down the engine. May I just lose them a bit.
That's why I said you don't ready to graduate.
Oga, Swale.
When you lose them, keep up. Don't do anything again.
Okay.
Just that one. Before I come back now, come. You understand now?
No, Lele, Oga. Nothing.
Thank you.
Under engine.
Yes, under.
May I lose?
Lose.
I don't lose. The grace. Now you go lose. Make me lose both under engine. Guy, time to sleep. Sir!
Don't be road.
Sir?
Don't be road like I asked you. You don't come out the screw?
Yeah, yes, sir. I don't come down.
Go back there now. No.
Yes, sir.
Go back.
Sorry, sir.
See this here, guy.
Oga, are you through with it?
Yeah. You don't finish everything.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Frank, he said it's true. Let's go.
Salim, are you true? Salim. Hi. Salim. This guy don't sleep. Salim.
Are you guys not true?
Salim. You don't finish? You don't finish? What's the ring for my head?
Stop it! Don't finish! You want to kill him? Stop!
Better than kill yourself.
Exactly me. What did I do?
Question. What do you do? Who did ask that one?
Hey, what did you do?